Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel Elite English Club, and today I brought for class 9th from Moments book The Beggar chapter 10. So let's start. This chapter is written by Anton Pavlov Chekhov, was a Russian playwright and short story writer who is considered to be among the greatest writers of short fiction in history. His career as a playwright produced 4 classics, and his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. He was born on 29th January 1860, Taganrog, Russia, and died on 15th July 1904, Badenweiler, Germany. Novodevich Cemetery, Moscow is the resting place. His spouse is Olga Nipper. He wrote the movie The Duel, Vanya on 42nd Street, an unfinished piece for mechanical piano, and Dark Eyes. Now we will see summary. The Beggar is the story of a beggar named Lushkov. While begging, he met an advocate, Sergei, who gave him work. Sergei asked him to cut wood at his house. He asked the cook to show him the shed where wood was kept. The beggar was too weak and was under the influence of alcohol. He could barely stand on his feet. Still, the cook Olga told Sergei that the wood had been chopped. Sergei was glad that the man worked and paid him 50 kopecks for chopping the wood. He asked him to come on the first day of every month for it. Sometimes he asked him to shovel the snow, or to set the wood in the shed, or to dust the rugs. He would pay between 20 to 40 kopecks, and once gave his old trousers to him too. When Sergei shifted his house, he employed the beggar to help in transporting the articles. The beggar had changed as he was sober that day, and Sergei felt satisfied that his efforts had paid in reforming a drunkard, as he could read and write. Sergei asked his name, offered him better work, and shook hands with him. After that day, Lushkov the beggar was never seen. After 2 years, Sergei was buying a ticket outside a theatre and spotted Lushkov. Lushkov was well dressed and was buying a ticket of the gallery area. Sergei was glad to see him and called him. Lushkov was now working as a notary and earned 35 rubles a month. He thanked Sergei for helping him out of the pit for his kindness. Lushkov told Sergei that it was not for him but for his cook, Olga, that he was a changed man. She would scold him, cry for him, and chop the wood for him. Her behavior transformed Lushkov. With this, he went to the theatre. So, this was the story, and the message was that any kindness can transform the man. So Olga transformed the Lushkov the beggar. Now he is no more a beggar. So I hope you like the chapter, and keep watching, keep learning. Till then, take care.